In this problem, you've been asked to find the area between the curves. So you have to recognize that we're looking for the height of the rectangle times the thickness. Our thickness is dx and shows up here. Our height will be whatever on top minus the lower curve. And in this case, something that opens down will be negative x squared, so that's g of x on top, and something that opens up is f of x. That must be on the bottom. So we have g of x minus f of x. Plugging these in, the upper curve is negative x squared plus 2x. The lower curve is x squared minus 2x. Keep in mind that we better distribute this negative through and combine like terms to make our integration easier. This is going to be negative 2x squared plus 4x. That's really what we're integrating. We have to figure out where we're starting and ending from. By inspection, you can pretty much see that this starts at 0, but where we end is unknown. But if you set the two equations equal to each other, you get 2x squared minus 4x equals 0. This is probably the easiest way. And factor into 2x, x minus 2. Here's our 0, and here's our 2. So that means this is a 2, and we're going from 0 to 2. Now we integrate. Applying the power rule, we have negative 2x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared over 2, and we're evaluating this from 0 to 2. This expression results, and when we plug in the lower limit 0, fortunately, those are easy calculations because they're all 0. Simplifying further gives negative 16 over 3 plus 8. Finding a common denominator of 3 over 3 results in 8/3. That is the area between those two curves. If you were to get a negative, that should be a hint that you've done things opposite. Look back and make sure that you get your upper curve on the top. Then don't go back through and redo everything, just change the sign from positive to negative.